Hello friends, welcome to our channel VLearn. Today we will talk about the Perl programming language. It is more similar to Python. You don't need to declare the type of variable before using it. So first we have to install the Perl for Windows user. First open your Google Chrome and type learn.perl.org backslash installing backslash windows.html, and then just go to the third point and click on download, and here you will see the number of version, and you have to install the first version, that is Padre on Strawberry 5.12.3.0 version 5. It is of 72 MB nearly. So if you download, then you have to install it. It is easy to install. Then you will see this icon, this blue butterfly icon on your desktop screen. You have to click on it and you will able to see this screen. If you're able to see this screen, that means you have downloaded and installing it successfully. Yes, you are successfully installed your Perl software. Now let's move on our first example on Perl. Just type print double quotation hello Perl, just close it, semicolon, and just save it as .pl. Whatever the name you have to give, and just give it and save it as .pl. PL is the extension for Perl, and just run the script. It is showing hello Perl. So yeah, this is very easy to implement. So yes, let's move on to the next example on Perl. So yeah, I already written the example for this. Yeah, if you want to print your name, like if you want to get the user input, like you have to type print what is your name, then dollar name equal to diamond braces open stdin semicolon print hello Mr. S name. So this dollar is known as the scalar data. This is the simplest kind of data that Perl can modify, and the scalar can only hold one value, and the scalar value are usually a number or string of character, and the scalar result can be saved into a scalar variable only. They can also be read or written. So if you want to check this, just click on run and run a script. You are able to see this, what is your name, just type ABC, and yeah, hello Mr. AB, press enter to continue. Yeah, this is a quite good example on Perl.